Still think white's the safest color for small rooms? That might be why yours feels cramped and cold, instead of open and calm. I'm revealing 5 designer-approved paint colors that make small rooms look bigger. They're bold, non-neutral, and way better than beige or plain white. Ever feel like your small room is too easy to measure with your eyes? Like you can see every wall, every edge, every corner? That's exactly what makes it feel small. Downpipe fixes that by adding depth. It's a deep gray blue that adds weight and character to a small space. Instead of trying to make the room feel bigger, it gives it focus. The course absorbs just enough light to soften reflections and reduce visual noise, which makes the space feel calmer, more controlled. It's ideal for narrow hallways, dining nook, or powder rooms where you want less distraction and more atmosphere. Does your small room always feel a little chaotic? Like no matter how much you tidy, it still looks busy and tight? That's not just clutter. It's color that isn't doing its job. Meander Blue clears the visual noise. It's a soft aqua with a high LRV, which means it reflects a ton of light. But unlike stark whites or cool grays, it adds just enough color to feel fresh and intentional. That balance helps the eye move smoothly across the space without stopping on harsh contrasts. And that's exactly what makes a room feel more open and breathable. Meander Blue works in bathrooms, bedrooms, or even small kitchens. And paired with natural wood, soft whites, or sandy neutrals, it creates a clean palette that visually widens the room. Is this helping you see small spaces differently? If it is, go ahead and subscribe. I post weekly color palette ideas and simple design tips, so you can stop second-guessing and finally create a home you love. And don't miss the last color. It's bold, a little unexpected, and might be exactly what your space needs. Do you avoid darker colors because you're afraid they'll make your small room feel even smaller? That fear makes sense. But with the right shade, going deeper can actually open up the space. Normandy Blue from Benjamin Moore is that shade. When you paint the walls and trim in the same color, the lines between them start to disappear. And that's when the room starts to feel larger. Why? Because when there's less contrast, your eye flows across the space uninterrupted. It's not stopping at every corner or edge. And that visual continuity is what makes a small room feel like it keeps going. Use this in a home office, guest room, or tight hallway where you want a little drama, but also a surprising sense of breathing room. Does your small room look technically fine, but still feels cold or uninviting? A lot of people try to solve that with decor, but the real fix might be in the wall color. Coral dust adds warmth, softness, and light without being bright or overwhelming. It also creates a cozy envelope, pulling the walls outward just enough that the room feels more open and alive. It works beautifully in a bedroom, nursery, or reading corner. Soft, warm, and easy to live with. Add some creamy trim and a few brass details, and the whole space just feels calm and inviting. And finally, number 1 color is Tricorn Black. Sherwin-Williams. Black in a small room? Sounds like a design disaster, right? But here's the truth. If your space feels chopped up, cluttered, or like it's constantly reminding you how tight it is, a bold, dark color might be exactly what it needs. Tricorn Black doesn't just color the walls. It erases the edges. It gives your eye something to anchor to, especially in rooms with lots of mixed finishes or awkward architecture. And what makes this black so easy to work with? No weird undertones. It's clean, neutral, and reads the same in every light. And that visual quiet creates something most light colors can't: the illusion of endless depth. It's not about being dramatic. It's about removing contrast. And in small spaces, less contrast means more flow and more space. This trick works best in powder rooms, tiny entryways, or hallways, places where white walls just highlight the tightness. And it feels bigger because it feels seamless. Hope this helped you figure out what to try in your space. And if you've got a small bathroom, don't skip the next video.